Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll solve two linear equation using elimination method. First equation is 3x plus 4y equals to 10 and second equation is x minus y equals to 1. So now when you solve these two linear equation using elimination method, first step will be here. First you have to eliminate any one of the variable from both the equation. This is the elimination method rules. So now first when you eliminate x, we see that in our given equation two variable here, one is x and second variable is y. So now here first you write, when you eliminate x, then you write the coefficient of all x from both the equation you write here. So I write here x equals to 3 from equation 1 and x equals to 1 from equation 2. So now after that this 1 from equation 2 is multiplied both side of equation 1, and now the coefficient of 1 from equation 1, this 1 is multiplied both side of equation 2. This is the second step. So when you follow these two steps, then you can easily eliminate x from both the equations. So now if you choose y, you have to first eliminate this variable. So now similar step you follow. First you write all the coefficient of y. So we see that here from equation 1 the coefficient of y is 4 and from equation 2 1. So this 1 from equation 2 is multiplied both side of equation 1, and the coefficient of y from equation 1, this 4 is multiplied both side of equation 2. This is the final step. So now first when you eliminate x, then you follow the two steps. Similarly when you can eliminate the y from both the equation, then you have to write the step 1 and then step 2, and you can easily eliminate y from the both the equations. You can easily eliminate. So now let's clear simple tricks here. You can remember this two step. You can easily eliminate any one of the variable from both the equations. So now let's start our problem here. From elimination method, we know that first step will be here. We have to eliminate any one of the variable. So now we eliminate x from both the equation. So now first the coefficient of x from equation 2 is 1. So this 1 is multiplied both side of equation 1, and now the coefficient of 3 from equation 1, this 3 is multiplied both side of equation 2. So now and 3 is multiplied both side of equation 2. So now our equation look like 1 into 3 into x plus 1 into 4 into y is equals to 1 into 10. So this simplify the expression 3x plus 4y equals to 10. Now this equation name is equation 3. So now second equation is x minus y, which is 3 is multiplied both side of equation 2. So now 3 into x, which is 3 into x minus 3 into y is equals to 3 into 1. So now this equation is 3x minus 3y equals to 3. So this equation name is equation 4. So now after that we apply the step 2. Step 2 will be here. In our depend our sign inside the equation, both the equation, we which operation we apply. We apply either a subtraction or addition. So which operation we apply depend on the sign of both the equations. So we see that in our given after multiplication of coefficient of both the equation, we see that here the sign of the both the x, the coefficient is same both the equation. So both the equation, the x is positive. So when we apply the addition method, so we don't remove this x from both the equations. So now we apply the subtraction method from both the equation. So now subtract 3, equation 3 from equation 4. So now here 3x plus 4y equals to 10, and second equation is 3x minus 3y equals to 3. So now subtract minus plus minus. So now here we see that plus 3 minus 3 cancel. Here plus 4y plus 3y, which is plus 7y, is equals to plus 10 minus 3, which is plus 7. Therefore, or y equals to 7 by 7, which is 1. So therefore the value of y is 1. So we get one variable value. Now in step 3 is we calculate the another variable value, which is x. So now how to calculate this variable value? So simple, here we substitute y, the value of y, we substitute any one of the given equation. So now let's start here. So we substitute the value of y equals to 1, this in equation 2. Equation 2 is our x minus y equals to 1. So now we substitute the value of y, or x minus, here the value of y is 1, is equals to 1. Therefore the value of x is 2. So we get two variable value. One is x equals to 2, and second variable is y equals to 1. So now our final solution is the solution of two linear equations is x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. This is our final answer. So now if you want to check your answer is correct or not, you simply apply these two variable value in any one of the given equations, and you simply check your answer is correct or not. Now I am showing you here for your surety. So now I will take equation 2, which is x minus y equals to 1. So now this is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. So now these two variable value, which is x equals to 2 and y equals to 1, these two values substitute LHS part of the given equations. So now if you see that the LHS part value is also equals to the RHS part value, then your answer is correct. So now here we substitute two value here, the x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. So now here 2 minus 1, which is 1, also equals to the RHS. So our answer is correct. So now if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.